Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the sums of exercise 6.8. As in the last exercise we have done the addition, and in this exercise we will do the subtraction of the fractions. फ्रैक्शंस को सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करते हैं? इन द सेम वे वी विल डू एज वी हैव डन द एडिशन. जैसे एडिशन में हम सिर्फ न्यूमिनेटर्स की कैलकुलेशन करते थे, इन द सेम वे वी विल डू इन द सब्ट्रैक्शन. Yes, now see how to do these sums. Complete the following. Here you can see total 4 parts are there, 4 denominator and 3 are shaded. So here we will write 3. The fraction will be 3 by 4. Then minus here. How many parts are shaded? Here total you can see out of these three, these two, ये two shift कर दिए गए हैं. Yes, means these are subtracted. Means 2, these are shifted. So here we will write 2 by 4. Yes, then what left? तो हमारे पास क्या बचेगा? Only 1. Here you can see total 3 were shaded. तो ये जो ऊपर वाले 2 थे वो थोड़े से यहाँ पे यू कैन सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस लाइन यू कैन सी ये थोड़े से ऊपर उठा दिए, मीन्स ये इसमें से निकाल दिए गए हैं. तो 3 में से 2 ये हमने निकाल दिए. देन व्हाट लेफ्ट? ओनली 1 बॉक्स लेफ्ट. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? हेयर 1 by 4. हेयर यू कैन सी ओनली 1 शेडेड पार्ट लेफ्ट हेयर बिकॉज दीज 2 तो हमने रिमूव कर दिए. येस, सो व्हाट लेफ्ट? 1 by 4. So what will be the subtraction here? You can see 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Denominator will not change. 3 minus 2, it will be 1. And here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 parts are done. We will write denominator 6 and 4 are shaded. So we will write here 4. Yes, and you can see here out of these 4 shaded, 2 are removed. 2 को हमने साइड पे कर दिया है. Then what will be there? 2 are removed. We will write here 2 by 6. Then what will be left? अगर 2 ये remove कर दिए तो क्या रह गया? Here you can see only 2 by 6 left. Here you can see 4 by 6 was there. Minus 2 by 6. Then what left? 2 by 6. Or 2 by 6 can be written 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Because as we have done this concept in the simplification, what will be there? 1 by 3. 6 में से 2 और 3 में से 1. Yes, now see next sum. Subtract 3 by 8 from 5 by 8. Yes students, you know already bigger number minus smaller number is there. So here firstly we will write 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Yes, 5 minus 3, 2 will be there and 8 will be as it is. And 8 will be as it is. Yes. Yes, now here you can see 1 minus 3 by 5. Yes, 1 minus 3 by 5 as we have done in the number line. Yes, what is the meaning of 1? When we will do 5 equal parts, तो 1 कहाँ पे आएगा? It will be 5 by 5. 1 का मतलब क्या होगा इस फ्रैक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग? It will be 5 by 5. Yes, so here how you will write? 1 minus 3 by 5 is there. 1 minus 3 by 5 is there. Here it will be 1. Yes, and here these are 3 by 5. Yes, then what will be here? Subtract करके क्या आएगा? Yes, 1 minus 3 by 5. 1 का मतलब क्या है? 5 by 5 and 3 by 5. Yes, 1 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 5 by 5 और उसमें से हमने 3 by 5 माइनस कर दिए. Then what will be left with us? We will be left with 2 by 5 because denominator will remain same and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Yes, now see here. Subtract the following using a number line. Firstly we will do these orally, then we will do with the help of the number line. Here you can see denominator is 5. Yes, and 4 minus 3, here will be 1. Here denominator 7, 3 minus 2, here will be 1. And here you can see 1 minus 2 by 8. तो 1 का मतलब बेटा यहाँ पे क्या होगा? It will be 8 by 8. 1 की जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 8 by 8. 8 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Denominator will be 8. 8 minus 2. Here will be 6. Yes. And here denominator 9. 7 minus 5. Here will be 2. Then here you can see denominator 8. 4 minus 2. Here will be 2. Again here is 1. तो 1 का मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है? 6 बाई 6. हमने इस डिनोमिनेटर को देख के 1 का मतलब निकालना होता है. Here is 6, तो मीन्स here will be 6 by 6. Then denominator will be 6 and 6 minus 5 here will be 1. Yes, now here is we have to do these sums using the number line. ये तो मैंने जस्ट आपके प्रैक्टिस के लिए ऑरली यहाँ पे बुक पे कर दिए, बट एक्चुअल में हमने ये सम यूजिंग द नंबर लाइन करना है. सी हाउ वी विल डू दिस. A part is there 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Yes, how we will do this? Firstly, we will draw the number line. Firstly, we will draw the number line with the help of the scale. And as already I told you that using the scale, you will do all these with the help of the scale and you will put the equal marks. Yes, firstly, see, we will draw this number line. Here will be 0 and here you can see 5 equal parts. Here it is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and here it is 5 by 5 means it is 1. Yes. Now 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Now 4 by 5. Yes. Firstly we will reach on 4 by 5. Yes, 4 by 5 is here. Minus 3 by 5. पहले हम 4 by 5 पे खड़े हुए हैं. Yes, minus 3 by 5 तो हमने वापस आना है इस डायरेक्शन में, क्योंकि कम करना है हमने. नेक्स्ट नहीं जाना है, हमने बैकवर्ड आना है. यस, तो जब हम यहाँ पे बैकवर्ड आएंगे, कितने स्टेप्स? 3 स्टेप्स. यहाँ से जब हम वापस आए 1 स्टेप, 2 स्टेप, 3rd स्टेप, तो हम कहाँ पे आ गए? वी रीच्ड हेयर ऑन 1 by 5. सो दिस इज़ अवर आंसर. ध्यान से देखो फिर एक बार. 4 by 5 इज़ देयर, तो हम कहाँ पे खड़े हुए हैं? 4 by 5 पे खड़े हुए हैं. माइनस 3 by 5, जैसे एडिशन में आई टोल्ड यू दैट एडिशन में हम राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ जाएंगे, बट हेयर इज सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो हम वापस आएंगे फिर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की तरफ. कितने स्टेप्स वापस आना है हमने? वी विल कम 3 स्टेप्स. तो यहाँ से ये 1 स्टेप, 2nd स्टेप एंड दिस इज 3rd स्टेप. जब हमने 3 स्टेप्स वापस आए, देन वी अराइव्ड, हम कहाँ पे पहुँच गए? 1 by 5. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. सो हेयर वी विल राइट 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. The answer will be 1 by 5. Yes, now see B part, that is 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7. We will draw the number line with the help of scale. Yes, and here is 0. You can see denominator is 7, 7 equal parts. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. This is 7 by 7 means this is 1. Now 3 by 7. तो हम firstly we will go here 3 by 7. Yes, minus 2 by 7 means 2 steps हम backward आ जाएंगे, पीछे की तरफ आ जाएंगे. 1 step, then 2nd step. Yes, then we arrived here. कहाँ पे पहुँच गए हम? 1 by 7. So this is our answer. Yes, when we will move backward 2 steps, then we arrived at 1 by 7. So this is our answer. So here we will write 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Our answer is 1 by 7. Then C part is there. Here the question is 1 minus 2 by 8. Now see how to do this sum. We will draw one number line. Yes, denominator is here 8. So we will do 8 equal parts. 0, 1 by 8. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here is 8. Yes, 8 by 8 it means 1. Yes, तो यहाँ पे 1 है, it means this is there 8 by 8. Yes, so firstly we are here, 1 पे हैं हम, means we are here. Yes, हम यहाँ पे हैं. माइनस कितने स्टेप्स अपने बैकवर्ड जाना है? 2 स्टेप्स. वी आर हेयर, 1 स्टेप बैक आई, देन सेकेंड स्टेप बैक आई, तो हम कहाँ पे पहुँच गए? 6 by 8. So our answer is 6 by 8. So here we will write 1 minus 2 by 8. Then we got the answer 6 by 8. Yes. Now see D part. D part is 7 by 9 minus 5 by 9. Yes. So here what we will do? Draw one number line, 9 equal parts. We can also increase this. Yes, it will be here. On that day I told you that arrow means we can increase number line. Yes, now here 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 6 by 9, this is 7 by 9, 8 by 9, and this is 9 by 9, means this is 1. Yes, now 7 by 9. We are standing here. 7 by 9 पे खड़े हैं हम. Then 5 steps हमने backward आना है. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps हम backward आए तो हम कहाँ पे पहुँच गए? We reached 2 by 9. So this is our answer. So how we will write? This is 2 by 9. Yes, after that E part, the statement is 4 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Yes. Zero, 1 by 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. Yes, 4 by 8. We are standing at 4 by 8. 2 steps we will come backward. 1 step, second step. Then we arrived at 2 by 8. So the answer is 4 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Answer is 2 by 8. Yes, after that F part is there. F part 1 minus 5 by 6. Yes, denominator is 6. So here we will do 6 equal parts. 0. Yes, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6. It means 1. 1 means 6 by 6. We are standing here. Yes, we are standing here. And we have to come 5 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we arrived here. 1 by 6 पे आ गए हम. So our answer is 1 by 6. Yes students, as I am, ये जो मैं marks लगा रही हूँ, I am not using the scale, but you people have to use the scale. Scale की help से नहीं, equal distance पे आपने ये marks लगाने हैं. Yes, hope you have understood this concept. Do these sums beautifully in your fair notebook of maths. Thanks and have a beautiful day.